Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix wrong time zones in Read AI meetings. So let's begin. First, simply go to the official website and log in into your account. Then you just need to click on your profile tab right over here. That is going to be your uh, profile settings and click on account settings. Then over here, you just need to scroll down a bit to see everything. And there it is. Set the time zone for your smart scheduler links and daily email digest. So usually this will show as unspecified. So just click on it or the drop down and select the appropriate time zone you're going to work with. So just click on that and click on refresh. After that, a Red AI will automatically save the changes for you. So that's it. That's how you can easily fix wrong time zones here. I hope you found this video very helpful.